All right, this one's an oldie but a goodie. Another Jeep we have coming up for sale this week. A 2004 WJ Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in graphite metallic, which is basically gray. It's a really pretty paint job, actually. The paint on this car is incredible for a 04. There's no body damage, no scratches, and most importantly, there's no fading on it, which leads me to believe that it was either garaged or kept under a carport. 04s are pretty cool. It's the last of this lineup. They made these from 99 to 04, the WJs. That's before they got into WKs. And you can always tell in 04 because these round fog lights on the bottom. All the other Grand Cherokees are square, but I guess they were doing that in preparation to get ready for the WK in 05. Anyways, it's pretty loaded for a Grand Cherokee. Obviously it has a 4.0 liter inline 6, which is a fantastic Jeep engine. 242 cubic inch. They're great motors. It runs well, doesn't overheat, no cooling issues, no oil pressure issues. It runs and sounds good going down the road. Same thing with the transmission, automatic transmission, obviously. Because it's a limited, it's going to have the matching body panels here, and of course it's going to be loaded with all, keyless remote entry, leather seats, electric seats, all the good stuff. In great shape. It's obviously an 04, so it's got some wear on it, but really overall this is the worst of it right here, and it's really not that bad for a driver's seat. Usually these driver's seats are all torn up. Carpets are good, there's no rips or stains or tears. Headliner's good. Stereo functions well, AC works great, heat works great. There's really nothing on this car that don't work. Obviously it's not perfect by any means, but yeah, not bad at all. This is a two-owner vehicle from Dallas, Texas, and clean title, obviously, clean Carfax. That's all we ever sell, so kind of goes without saying here. But yeah, just really good condition. Just make a great driver, a great starter vehicle, something like that, pretty much for anybody. Spare's still in here. It's in great shape. Tires are actually all matching and in good shape. They're Goodyears. I can't remember the exact size. They're fairly new. I have paperwork on them. I think they're about 6 months old, so they don't have too many miles on them. Maybe 7,000 miles on them. But they're just Goodyear street tires. They're in pretty good shape. Anyway, if you're looking for a Grand Cherokee or an affordable vehicle, hit us up, johnstonmotorsales.com. Check out our Facebook page. Don't forget to like and share it. And if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. Check our YouTube channel for inventory updates. You can reach us anytime, 940-808-2382. Have an awesome day.